adorable. They're too small.
Kathy, I'm moving.
We cannot stop because they are going. If they stop, we stop.
That's fine.
Hagarara hano. So we try these guys behind. We try to give these guys behind the way so that they can come in front and take photos as well.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't want to.
The park is like helping one another.
I know.
Go back.